Let us answer this question. It asks you to find the vertical asymptote of f of theta equals to tangent 3 theta over 4 theta. Okay, you know that tangent have a vertical asymptote, right? The function tangent line has a vertical asymptote. Also, you see that if theta is 0, you get 0 over 0, right? So when you get 0 over 0, there is no vertical asymptote for that value of theta. Okay, so to find out that, what we do here is you write that as a 1 over 4 theta times tangent theta, tangent 3 theta, right? That is same as 1 over 4 theta times we write sine 3 theta over cosine 3 theta. You see that? So when do you get the vertical asymptote? Is the time when you have the denominator 0, but that value of theta that makes both numerator and denominator 0 is not that is not the vertical asymptote, right? So if you said theta equals to 0, that will make the denominator 0, but that will also make the numerator 0. So we ignore theta equals to 0. It is not a vertical asymptote because theta equals to 0 makes both numerator and denominator 0. So it is not a vertical asymptote. So the vertical asymptote are those that makes denominator 0 only. Okay, so we avoid writing theta equals 0. So let us write cosine 3 theta equals to 0. Cosine 3 theta equals to 0, right? So what are the values of cosine that give you 0? That is basically, so that will be like 3 theta will be you can write like this: cosine 3 theta equals 0. Also, what are the cosine, what angles of the cosine are 0? Cosine pi over 2, cosine 3 pi over 2, cosine 5 pi over 2, and so on, right? Now you can write cosine 0 for excuse me, if you take the inverse cosine, or if you cancel cosine and cosine for each of those, what you get is 3 theta equals to pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, and so on. So instead of writing so many pi over 2's, you can write 2n plus 1 because it is odd number, right? Pi over 2, it is like 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. So you can write like that, right? So that is 3 theta equals to 2n plus 1 pi over 2. So now divide by theta, what do you get? Divide by 3, what do you get? Theta equals to 2n plus 1, right? And then pi over 6. Does that make sense? Now you distribute that pi over 6 to both of those, you get 2n times pi over 6, 2n times pi over 6 plus 1 times pi over 6 is just pi over 6. So this can be written as n pi over 3, okay, plus pi over 6. That's how you do it. Okay, guys? So this is the final answer for theta. Therefore, hence theta equals to n pi over 3 plus pi over 6. That is the final answer. Okay, guys? Thank you very much.